DIY marketing in decline. The rise of YouTube automation. Entrepreneurs like using YouTube instead of regular marketing companies, and there are good reasons for this change. Starting without spending a lot. People who want to start a business like using YouTube because it doesn't cost a lot at the beginning. Other traditional agencies ask for a lot of money up front, but starting on YouTube is not expensive. Even though there might be some challenges at first, the chance for your business to grow and be seen by many people is usually better than with other agencies. This way, entrepreneurs can use their money more wisely. Learn for free. YouTube has many free videos that teach you things. Entrepreneurs can watch tutorials, guides, and real examples without paying any money. This means anyone who wants to learn about online marketing can do it without spending a lot. Being able to learn without a big cost helps entrepreneurs get better at what they do. Choosing between YouTube and a done-for-you marketing agency. The main difference between starting a YouTube channel and a DIY marketing agency is the cost. You can begin a YouTube channel with little to no money, while a done-for-you marketing agency may have a startup cost of $10,000 or even more. And that's not all. You also need to pay for monthly software subscriptions like ClickFunnels, Acuity, Pipedrive, Zapier, ActiveCampaign, and more. Consider making the switch to YouTube, where you can start without a big investment. Don't forget to subscribe. Final thoughts. Believe in your success. Many entrepreneurs are now choosing YouTube to succeed on their own. It's about taking control, using available resources, and investing in your own skills. Start this journey, believe in yourself, and be creative. Remember, success is in your hands. The future of entrepreneurship is calling, and it's time to answer. I really care about your success, so don't forget to subscribe.